I'm Fabio Trotti, I'm the R&D Manager at Weerg, and at Weerg we are a service bureau specializing in 3D printing in HP multi-jet fusion with more or less the whole portfolio of HP materials. We are here at Formex and we just confirmed 2 new S2 systems from AIM Solutions. These new systems will help us improve and strengthen our production and post-processing because of the improved reliability, so that we can have the same part over and over, so very reliable finishing and consistent throughout. We can have the same finishes 6 months ago, right now, and in 6 months' time. That is very important for our customers. And also the machine has been improved and it is very reliable, and the operator needs only to do the regular maintenance and doesn't need to worry about downtime. The partnership we have with AIM Solutions has been great as far as not really purchasing equipment, but creating something together, creating value and solving the problems that we are facing every single day in production. Together we developed and analyzed and tested the whole solution to make it real bulletproof for 24/7 production. And the greatest things about AIM Solution has been the feedback we provide and the way they handle it. They take it, analyze it, and in a couple of months' time you get the right solution for your needs.